Welcome to Zappy Dots. We're a community of creatives who love baking, decorating, and celebrating. Sometimes, like right now, we even like to celebrate how we make things. If you're a Cricut crafter, then we have a fun new tool for you. Join us as we unbox Dottie, our 1-inch button maker, the perfect companion to your creative Cricut adventures. Zappy Dots got its start years ago as a magnet company, and really, those 1-inch magnets, which we affectionately called dots, kicked off our whole creative journey. Fast forward to today, and the Cricut has really simplified creating these 1-inch magnets. The fusion of Cricut and Dottie means making buttons is now faster, easier, and more fun than ever. It's truly worth celebrating, so let's whip up some Cricut confetti and unveil your next favorite crafting tool, Dottie. I just reached into my craft stash and found some metallic paper and some other colors that I liked, and really making homemade confetti could not be easier with the Cricut. Okay, my confetti's ready and it's time to unbox Dottie. Who doesn't love a good unboxing video? Dottie comes with all sorts of supplies that you can use to make your magnetic dots. All of the things you need to get started are right there in the box. This is a hand punch stamp, which honestly, with my Cricut, I won't be using this much. Here she is. Isn't she beautiful, all shiny and new? Oh, I just can't wait to show you all these fun projects. If you've ever used a button maker, then you'll understand my excitement. There are so many things to do with these little 1-inch dots. Like I mentioned, Zappy Dots, of course, started with magnets, but you can also make jewelry and bookmarks and pins. It's super versatile and super easy to use. Definitely worth celebrating. What should we make next? Stay tuned for unique crafts that combine the creative powers of Cricut and Dottie, as well as fun DIYs, cute holiday creations, and embellishments galore. Follow along with us as we craft a beautiful life.